Hello friends, this is a very nice flame. So today Fern's going to make some breakfast. My belly's stuffed because I was a good girl and ate a cup of rice. Very full. I made a broth in there, see? Rice with broth, that's what I had. Well, good morning, handsome man.
Good morning. I'm just gonna saute a little onion.
Onion.
Get that going.
There's the cook. I am not the cook, folks. Hubby is the cook. This is a lesson on hubby cooking, not wifey. And we joke around a lot. You don't know that about us. We joke and laugh like a hyena.
Just let that caramelize for a second.
Caramelize. Wow. Fancy words we're using today.
Fancy language.
Fancy language. I see my father enjoyed the olives. Did you have some too?
No.
He enjoyed my olives.
There was one on the floor.
God bless. My food didn't go to waste.
I was gonna
Good job, Dad. That was from the Dollar Tree haul. I ate all your rice, Furman.
It's alright. I got a whole bag.
Got some egg there. How many eggs?
We got a couple.
Two or
double
three?
eggs.
Only two? Or
Two left.
only
Oh.
two left. Hard times at the mansion. We gotta buy more eggs.
Or more chickens.
Here we are joking around again.
That's it.
Herman said we should get some chickens to raise out there in the homestead.
I don't know.
Life in the homestead. We need a
I don't
homestead.
believe in any chickens, so.
It's not my house, so I can't have animals.
They're anti-animal house.
Yeah, they don't have animals. It's a free room. Thank you, Dad. Thank you. Okay.
That's it.
That's all
Just
you
keep
do.
it nice and fluffy.
Fluffy it up. This is his pre-workout meal. Are you gonna have a milk? What was that called? That drink you had? It had the
Muscle
word-
milk.
Muscle milk shake or muscle milk drink today? Or a Monster or acai berry?
Let's see.
Acai.
That's it. Still moist.
That has like no carbs. Honey, I think you should do the. Ooh, I think. We said egg. Oh well. Guess you gotta wash it. Anything else you do to that? Are you gonna have any fruits, or is it? Are you doing low carb here today?
There is some fruit in the fridge.
What are you gonna do today? Are you gonna do low carb? You lose a lot of weight when you're low carb. Maybe you should do that. It doesn't work for me, guys. I'm a high carber. I've tried low carb. It doesn't work for me. Makes me very moody. Okay, folks. There's the finished product. Bye.